Alright guys, we are finally in our stateroom. So, why don't you come with us, check it out. A little bit of a narrow hallway, but honestly, it's really not bad.
Not.
I thought it was going to be way narrower than it actually is. Let's start with this bathroom. So this is the first bathroom. They do use split bathrooms in these cabins, which I'm a fan of, because having the toilet separate from the shower, I think is super helpful. Like, if somebody's just trying to shower or take a bath, and you just gotta go to the bathroom really quick, like, I hate when we're trying to split the bathroom like that. So, plus 2 sinks, super convenient for everybody else getting ready. But yeah, just a standalone toilet. It's got this, I want to say full-size sink. It's not a full-size vanity for sure, but got a little trash can down there. I already got the dude wipes set up just in case. A few hooks here, which is nice. But I want to say these, I could even put the hooks on.
You'll have to try it out.
Yeah.
But this is where Aaron is going to be getting dressed most of the time.
Yeah, we're going to split it up where like me and the girls will brush our teeth here. And then Lacey will use the other one. So this other one, if you've seen other room tours before, you know that the shower itself is fairly decent size, although I won't be able to show you guys. Anyway, I believe I can stand in this shower without an issue too. Yeah, just right at like the max of what it would be. I mean, I got a good couple inches of space, so yeah, definitely.
That thing doesn't hit your head either.
This?
The shower.
The shower head, I don't think should, but it also comes off, which is nice. So, heck yeah. Yeah. Oh, and then we got this echoey little chamber. The shower, I can't pull it out right now at the same time. The shower has a clothesline for hanging up like wet clothes, wet swimsuits and whatnot. So that's super nice. Definitely a bigger vanity here, so good for Lacey. Gotta have the DCL towels. I love that.
Oh, look at that. I love it.
Some other rags, a makeup rag. Yeah.
And then I already have my toiletry bag hooked up in here.
Maybe I'll use double hooks.
Oh yeah, there you
just to
go.
spread it out.
Perfect. It has all the girl stuff in it, like the toothbrushes will be in here and stuff. And so it pretty much is like skincare, hair care, everything that the girls need. Aaron will be, taking care of himself in the other one so he doesn't feel like, he's overcrowded. And then another thing is this is a tub. So it's really nice just in case, you have little ones because it's not a really huge tub, but it's big enough for like little kids if you need to run them a bath or something.
Definitely big enough for that. All right. From there, here, let's look at the closets.
This has been my biggest concern.
Right. So we can't find these measurements online. Like they say average size split wardrobe, but they don't specify like width. And one of the things we were figuring out when we were buying all of our stuff and packing is we tried to get everybody clothes organizers to make it as like kind of compact and seamless as we can, but you can't figure out like what the width of this section is in like the other section to be like, okay, will 2 like extra large clothes organizers fit? Will only 2 mediums? Will only 1 extra large fit? So from what I can tell, this is probably a little over a foot. I'd say close to like 1.5 feet here on this side where it's got the shelves. And then, you have a few shelves. Obviously, it comes with... Actually, this laundry bag is really cool.
I know, it's such a nice laundry bag.
It's got
I feel like everything's such high quality.
DCL branded laundry bag. I think that's super cool.
It is so cool.
Yeah, some hooks, some hangers, which I believe they said we can get more if we want them.
So the idea is, we'll show you in a bit, but I think we're going to hang up all of our nice stuff here. We might move some of this stuff if we can to get extra storage if we need.
Yeah, just for like the bottom shelves.
Yeah, these life jackets. And then it has a ton of shelving, even some on the bottom right there.
Yeah,
so
for shoes and whatnot. So that's this one with the shelves. And then this one is all closet space. Your ladder for the bunks. And I would say if that one was like 1.5 feet, this is probably 3 feet wide, maybe a little over like a yard. So I do think, because I think the organizers we got for the girls are 17 inches wide each. So they should both fit in here really nicely. It shouldn't be like super cramped. In case you're wondering, I don't know what information that's good for anybody, but it's there. So yeah, and then one big shelf up here, which we probably put backpacks or something, stow those away up here.
Yeah, we'll figure out how we're going to utilize the space here in a second.
Already got our hamper in here.
Oh, yeah, that was the first thing.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. So that's the closets. The girls are already making use of the bed.
Oh, yeah, chilling.
Lots
Girls,
of...
what kind of room did we get?
We got a condo.
Yeah. So these lights have bedside reading ones as well as these lamps. And they are dimmable, which is nice. So that's pretty sweet.
You know, it's going to get so dark at night in the open ocean, so it's really nice that they give so many lighting options in the bedroom.
The adapter for Universal, which we did not get, but it also comes with USB-A and USB-C. So we might not even need this adapter since we have the other cords. Yeah, a little curtain for the privacy stuff. By the time the girls wind down, we can close that and still watch TV. Well, anyways, so the artwork here for Encanto, which is really cool. I mean, they never disappoint on these. The other ones we've seen from like the Nemo one's really cool. Is it Aladdin that we've seen too? The Mulan one is really cool. I know that's on another ship, but like even the Encanto, because we haven't seen an Encanto room yet. I really like it.
That is really cool. I like
And then a little bedside TV or couchside table. This couch folds out, which will be one of the beds. We'll show you that a little later when we do the turn down, or when we have the turn down. Then the bed above here too just winds down, and that's something you don't do. That's something the turn down team will do. So one less risk of smashing fingers. Then we got the vanity section, which I think is super convenient for Lacey. She's actually able to sit and do her makeup. She can sit at this lit mirror, do that. Plenty of counter space, drawers. I believe this is our fridge. Yeah. Heck yeah. Let's get this turned up too. That way we have some nice cold drinks.
So what is nice is that we got that cooler bag, and so once we get that, we'll be able to stuff our items in there and keep it nice and chilled.
Yeah.
But I can't wait to show you that cooler bag. It's so cool.
I gotta say, I am impressed with the amount of outlets that I'm seeing. Just between the USB-C and USB-A one on that side of the bed, and then on this side of the bed, you still have another USB-C and 2 US outlets. Then, over here by the vanity, you still have 2 more US outlets, another USB-C. I think this one was, but that looks like it was damaged. Anyways, that's a USB-C. And then still another EU Universal. So, I think there's lots of space for charging. I mean, I'm not charging a zillion items. We aren't charging that many. But still, seems like a lot. Yeah, and then I think we got some stationery here.
So actually, if you wanted to, you can take this to guest services and send them
I
out
just
there.
now noticed that.
Oh, it's a hidden Mickey. Stella would freak out, but I'm not going to tell her right now. So you can take these to guest services, or you can take them to Castaway Cay and get them mailed out to anyone. Mm-hmm. So that's really cool. I think, like you said, we're definitely going to utilize that because it's just, nice to have.
And then we have the room service order for your morning.
Oh yeah, we'll definitely be using that actually tomorrow. So we'll set this out tomorrow or tonight. So right here they have a hair dryer. This already has like my hairbrush and the straightener. But what is cool that a lot of hotels don't have, or resorts or cruises, is they have this like heat protectant mat. So any of your equipment, you can just lay it out here so you don't,
burn the desk.
But that's cool that they have that.
Oh yeah.
Of course, Disney thinking about everything. So I really like that. And then lots of drawer space and stuff. So
Let's show them the patio.
you want me to start now?
Oh, you're fine. What is open?
You slide it.
Oh, what? So this is the veranda you get on. This is a deluxe veranda room. What was it?
It's a deluxe veranda, just the regular. It's not the family deluxe ocean view because that one
Comes with a Murphy bed as well.
It comes with the Murphy bed. We will let you know. I mean, this seems pretty spacious as is. You don't really need the fifth bed, but if we were to get the fifth bed, it's strictly because we like the extra room.
Yeah, at that point, because the girls want 3 beds. I don't know. But yeah, look at this.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely
Shipyard.
liking this patio. This is gonna be so nice on the
Oh, yeah.
mornings. We have really good views. Love it. The patio is way bigger than I thought it was gonna be. To be
Oh, yeah.
honest. Like,
Considering I can stand this far apart, like we could fit another chair in here, 2 more chairs even.
yeah, I thought that we were gonna be touching hands.
Yeah, it definitely seemed like you'd be like shoulder to shoulder by the
Yeah.
wall, but
This is
plenty
really
of space.
nice.
Plenty of space.
Yeah, so we're going to get everything set up in the room, and then we'll show you some of the items that we bought and how we utilize it, and if it actually works with the space.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do that really quick because we have only a couple minutes before
30 minutes.
30 minutes before.
Oh, sorry, 40 minutes.
Oh.
Because it's 55.
Okay, 40 minutes before the mandatory drill. Do not miss the mandatory drill.
Oh, yeah.
So